day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this video will be the next test of speakers. Not blind test, totally blind test like in my previous video is the speaker cables. Maybe it will be for you also interesting. So if I don't forget, I put here active link to my previous video with the blind test of speaker cables. But I have here on the table two types of boxes. The dimensions are rather the same. Yes, this left is a little bigger, and this one, this is the TESLA ARS 824. I have published a few days ago video with a pair of these speakers. Tested a lot of info about these speakers, so if I also don't forget, I put here active link. And then I received a comment from one subscriber of my YouTube channel that ARS 824 it's the same like SUPRAPHON RK 09. Yes, they look rather similar. If I put here the front grille, front textile, and if I have or if here will not be this metal label, and if I see anywhere this box and I cannot compare the dimension, I don't know if it is RK09 or ARS 824, and on the other side, if I see this box alone anywhere, I don't know the type. Yes, they are from the back side, the labels. So the main difference is that this is bigger. If we see the speakers, they are in both types are the same speakers as a tweeter, the TESLA ARV 161, and as a bass speaker, TESLA ARN 567. From my point of view, this is the best 165mm bass speaker TESLA ever made. But in this, yes, here you can remove the front grille from textile. Here is it unremovable. You cannot remove it. It's sealed. But in this box is as a crossover the capacitor only. But in this box is a huge crossover with huge coils. So I answer to the comment that it's the same like RK09. No, the sound is totally different, and that this TESLA ARS 824 are much more better sounding, and in this dimension they are one of the best types TESLA ever made. So let's try them and let's compare the sound, and you can evaluate it by yourself. I will connect one box and the second box to the left channel of an amplifier. The box will be in the same position. The music, the track will be the same, and you can evaluate the sound if this bigger one but with capacitor inside only is better, or if you like the sound of this TESLA ARS 824 more. So please write me in comments which type, which sound, or the sound of which type do you prefer. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can also join my channel, and let's do it. RK09 only. TESLA ARS 824 only. So, dear friends, write me in comments which sound do you prefer. So, once more, thank you and have a nice day.